Hi guys, good evening. um, the title of the song is Ordinary Song. Ano siya? Magandang song siya kasi parang siguro lahat naka-experience na ganito. Yung bang ikaw in love ka and then yung tao na mahal mo, hindi ka sigurado kung mahal ka niya. So, parang siguro hindi pa siya ready magmahal. Parang ganun. So, ikaw dahil mahal mo siya, you have to wait. Yung ready ka na parang kahit ano pang ginawa niya doon, in love man siya sa iba or something. Tapos bigla siyang nawala. Bigla siyang bumalik. Ready ka na tanggapin siya lagi dahil mahal mo siya. Yun ganun. So, parang I'm feeling the same way. In love po ako. Yeah. Parang hindi ko masabi pero sige. I offer this song sa someone na in love ako na hindi ko alam kung may love din siya or ano, pero ang alam ko mahal ko siya. Yun lang. So, I'm expecting something natural kasi in love ka. So, katulad sa amin ng lalaki, naliligaw kami. So, mag-expect ka lagi ng in return na sana mahalin ka rin ka. Kaso lang, pagka yung minamahal mo, masyado siyang crowded pa masyado yung isip, tapos hindi pa siya siguro decided or wala siyang gusto sa'yo. Yeah, just to make it straight, ganun. Masakit din, pero dahil in love ka, you have to accept it. Ayun. So, napili ko tong kanta kasi alam ko naka-experience din kayo ng ganun, na may mahal kayo na iba, may mahal kayo, tapos hindi nyo malaman kung mahal din ba kayo. No? Hope you like the song. I love you. Play ko lang po. An ordinary song for a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I may not have much to show, no diamonds to glow, no limousines to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay. Just take some time to lend an ear to this ordinary song. Just an ordinary song for a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I don't even have the looks to make you glance my way. The clothes I wear just seem so absurd, but deep inside of me is you. You give life to what I do. All those years may see you through, and I'll be waiting here for you.
Just lend an ear to this ordinary song. Just an ordinary song for a special girl like you, from a simple guy